It's about 10 a.m. and here we have a snowblower that works, albeit besides the carb. We have snow on call for about 4. Let's see if we can get this fired up. The cover's already off and these carbs come out pretty easily. It's like 2 bolts and like 2 linkages. I'm going to try to see if I can clean the jet, and then if that doesn't work, maybe there's a lawnmower store I can slap one on around 3 p.m. this afternoon. Should have emptied the tank. Alright, got the carb off. Let's bring it inside, open it up, see if there's anything we can do. I'll take the nut on the bottom of the bowl off. That should get it apart. Interesting development. What's that in the bottom of the bowl? Certainly not gas. We got a float, a dirty bowl. Somewhere in here is a needle and a seat. This was a brand new carb 2 years ago, and then it sat because it didn't snow. Kind of surprising how much gunk. This bowl pin slides out, and then we'll see what we got. Alright, see the little needle laying there? Kind of funky seat. I'll clean those up, and then clean up the jet. And there. And then hopefully that should be much better. Pipe cleaner is so tight. The float does indeed still float, float pin, needle, and seat back together. This is all the junk that came out of it. This was clean gas and a clean bowl. All right, the big moment. Choke out. Let's see if I did anything. Promising.